Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Paytm, manage wallet and online payment step by step clearly. Open your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Go to the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone to download the official Paytm app. Search for Paytm and confirm the developer name is 197 Communications Limited. Before installing, install the app and wait until the download and setup are completed. Open Paytm and allow the required permissions if you want smoother login and payment features. On the welcome screen, tap Login or Sign In to start the login process. Enter your mobile number that is registered with Paytm and double-check every digit. Tap Proceed or Continue and wait for the OTP verification screen to appear. Check your SMS messages for the OTP code sent by Paytm. Type the OTP exactly as received, and do not share it with anyone. If OTP auto-read is enabled, verify that the app filled it correctly before continuing. If the OTP does not arrive, tap Resend OTP and confirm your network signal is stable. Create or enter your Paytm passcode if the app asks for it during login. Enable fingerprint or Face ID if available to make future logins faster and more secure. After login, review the home screen and confirm your name or profile icon appears at the top. Tap Balance or Paytm Wallet to view your wallet amount and recent transactions. If you need to add money, tap Add Money and choose the amount you want to load. Select a payment method like debit card, credit card, UPI, or net banking based on your preference. Complete the bank verification steps carefully and confirm the payment to add money to your wallet. To send money, tap Pay or Send and choose a contact, UPI ID, or mobile number. Enter the amount, add an optional note, and verify the receiver details before confirming. To pay by QR code, tap Scan and point your camera at the merchant's Paytm QR. Check the merchant name on screen to avoid sending money to the wrong account. Enter the amount, review the fee details if shown, and tap Pay Now to complete the payment. For online shopping payments, select Paytm at checkout and approve the payment inside the app. To manage security, open Profile or Settings and update passcode, privacy, and notification options. To check history, open Passbook or Transaction History and review status as successful or pending. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.